Hey, lovely ladies. Want to keep your email list organized without pulling your hair out? In this short video, I'll show you how to create a tag in System.io in literally just 2 minutes. Tags are perfect for keeping track of who's clicked what, bought what, or even signed up for your freebie. Let's keep it simple and stress-free.
We're back in the dashboard. We're just going to come across here to CRM and then we're going to go into tags. We're going to create a tag. The course that we're actually selling in this particular case is Gentle Pilates for beginners. You could put bought, let's click on it, bought Gentle Pilates. Or anything you want to do. It could be a code, it could be anything, but whatever you feel that will help distinguish, brilliant. And that's your one tag that you can use on the freemium account. If you were to move up to the startup account, then you'll get 10 tags, which is really helpful. But yeah, so now that's your tag.
And just like that, you've added a tag and taken one more step towards becoming an email automation expert. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more 2-minute tech wins. See you in the next video.